Thanks for coming. Hey, est-ce que nous enjoy? Nous souhaitons te enjoy? Est-ce que tu enjoy le film là?
Oui, vraiment. Vraiment enjoy.
Ok,
Vraiment
merci.
enjoy.
Merci. Merci d'être
Il te
venu.
joue pas par mon film là, moi.
Comment? Est-ce que tu enjoy because of love?
Enjoy this.
Merci. Ok. Est-ce que tu es content?
Of course.
Hein?
Oui.
You guys? Oh oui.
Côté Naboile fait photo avec
Oh, mais oui,
Fednaelle.
devant. Ok, merci d'être venu. Thanks for coming.
Let's get to the front first.
Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy because of love?
Yes, I did.
Okay, thanks for coming. Did you enjoy the movie?
Great job. I enjoyed it very much.
Thank you. And did you enjoy it too?
Yes.
What can you say to other people who did not see it yet?
You're gonna love it
Oh, thank you. Because what's the name of the movie?
because of love.
Because of love. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thanks for coming. Merci d'être venu. Merci. Okay, hello. I hope you enjoyed. Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes.
Thank you. And you? Hello?